Thank you. I'm Hayes Clement, and I'm proud and humbled to say that I was recognized last year at this luncheon with our next award. The late Calvin A. Michaels was the longtime director of personnel at Burlington Industries, retiring in 1989. Calvin also worked tirelessly as a community volunteer. He had strong ties with the Community Foundation and placed special emphasis on the health issues of people in the community. He served as chair and president of the Industries of the Blind, the Guilford County Coalition on Infant Mortality, and the Guilford Community AIDS Partnership. These were just a few of the many leadership roles he undertook. In 1995, 2 years before he passed away, and in honor of his community leadership, the Community Foundation established the Calvin A. Michaels Community Leadership Fund. His son, Richard, later wrote to the foundation, quote, "Dad was also always proud of his relationship with the foundation and was grateful for its support of public health issues in the community. My dad's hope was that this fund would make life better for the people of Greensboro for many years to come." In 2010, the Community Foundation began to present the Michaels Award and making it a part of our annual luncheon program each year. This year's recipient of the Calvin A. Michaels Community Service Award is respected by and well known to many of you here today. In fact, she received multiple nominations for the recognition she is about to receive. As eloquently worded by one of these nominators, and I quote, "Vibrant communities are ones where there is safe and affordable housing, availability of an education, and the opportunity for holding a productive job. The Community Foundation of Greater Greensboro has long been committed to progress in all three of these areas. Basic education readily available to all is a cornerstone of our democracy and of the community vitality. My nominee's contribution in this area have been outstanding. She has spent 3 decades working in the area of human relations, social justice, and environmental protection, giving strong, courageous leadership across a spectrum of leadership positions," unquote. During her tenure as a Guilford County Commissioner, she created the first Children's Cabinet. She was the founding board member and past chair of the Guilford Partnership for Children, Smart Start, and served for 5 years as chair of the North Carolina Child Advocacy Institute. During her 10 years as UNCG's director of the Center for Youth, Family, and Community Partnerships, she published in professional journals and co-authored the book, Child and Adolescent Mental Health in a Disciplinary System of Care. Wow. She is credited with developing principles and core values that were adopted as best practices in the state of North Carolina. Since 2005, she has led the Guilford County Education Alliance, a cooperative effort of our Community Foundation and the High Point Community Foundation. In this role, she has been a very constructive friend of the Guilford County school system and an outspoken advocate for educational opportunities for all citizens. She recently announced her retirement from the Guilford Education Alliance, and we can't think of a more appropriate time to recognize her with this year's Calvin A. Michaels Community Service Award. Please join me in congratulating Dr. Margaret Arbuckle. Please do.
Howard just looked at me and said, "Don't cry." And those of you who know me know that that's a hard order to follow. how wonderful to be honored in this way. I'm humbled, so humbled by it. Calvin Michaels was a mentor to me in many ways, and to receive an honor named for him is especially meaningful. His son has helped me raise my children, and his Rick's daughter is one of our favorite young people in our family, so it has personal and professional meaning to me. Advocating for public education has been the height of my career. I just want to take this 2 seconds to say to you, we have the best school system in North Carolina. And one of the reasons we have that is because we have a community that knows the importance of having quality public education for every child. All children are our children. Public education across the country is in jeopardy. We are in a fragile situation politically, and we are in a fragile situation economically. I ask you to put your best advocacy resources behind supporting the importance of public education in Guilford County and in North Carolina. Thank you.
Thank you so much.